against Junmar. And for sure, he will get a lot of different looks, but that
of the elimination round campaign for the San Miguel Beermen.
Pero bago ang lahat mga ka-Big Boss, magandang pagbabalik mga ka-Big Boss, pwede bang paki-like and subscribe at pahit ng notification bell? TBA Season 48 Philippine Cup Finals, Best of 7. San Miguel Beermen kontra Meralco Bolts, Game 2 full highlights. Kayo mga ka-Big Boss, saan kayo sa dalawang kupunan na ito? Paki-comment na lang sa baba mga ka-Big Boss kung saan ka sa dalawang team na ito. Maraming salamat.
Alexi shoots one over the defense, has advantage against Karam. Jericho, sneaky pass, there it is. Bold counter steal though for Meralco. Quickly ahead, Karam. Karam on the move, the layup is good. Shovel pass, JT, one-hander, no good. Troliano, second effort is good. We thank you once again for joining us on TBA Rush and Pilipinas Live. Jericho Cruz, counter! Ball game, posting up against Marcio Laster. Quinto, another mid-range. Good pass to Tautua, as he has a factor offensively as well to help out his Banquero and their other guys.
The Acrios received to shoot from the three-point area. They did it outside just to make sure that they bring out the defensive.
Look, thank you so much, Coach Ryan. We will hear your thoughts again a little later on. Marcio from way down, mid-range. But that was a good shot nonetheless from Marcio. Alain is off and running. Marcio with a Hesse. Marcio!
well, that's why San Miguel's on top right now.
That will be an end of both that you've limited SMB to 0 points. The first to win happening for the San Miguel Beermen. Oh, good pass from Yai, 53, Newsome. Mounted. Newsome breaks free and gets Marcio recovering. Newsome beat. Tied game at 64 apiece. Top jumper coming from Alex for Alain. Back to Karam. Not forcing it. They go inside. CJ Perez on the move. CJ attacks. The layup is good. Taps it over to Bonquito. Karam is ahead. Anjo is gone.
Without Fajardo in the game.
Oh, that's a lot of space. Attack here for Meralco. CB leaves it for Raymond Almazan. The layup is good.
Advantage here inside the paint against Cliff Hodge.
Oh, hesitant. And now Bonquito is ahead. Quito slammed it. Has it top of the key. Uses the screen from Bates. Bates on the roll. Bates. As Banquero gets the ball off the hand of CB with a free pass. Now their heads above water. Banquero the pass to Almazan. Raymond connect. Now the fourth and final quarter of action. Junmar gets He's pushing. Not enough bodies running back on defense. Newsome loses the ball to Newsome. Nuno to CB. Never goes. Also once again to go back to Don Troliano on the 4. CJ with a breakaway.
He was down 8 points.
Almazan hesitates and lets it. And it's on the floor for Coach George Gallen. They need a big one. Troliano